Transaction BP is used to create business partner, vendor/supplier, and customer. While creating business partner, we have to choose BP category. BP category can be a person, organization, or group. I'll explain in the next slide. And we have to choose BP grouping for business partner number assignment. And we have to choose BP role to maintain purchase data, purchase organization data, company code data. Let us go to business partner transaction. BP and enter. Can you see here? We have to choose either it is a person, organization, or group. Here, if you go to the next slide, business partner, BP category, business partner category defines the type of business partner, distinguishing between a person, organization, or group. Okay, we have to distinguish business partner. A business partner can be supplier or customer. Okay, so we have to distinguish between person, organization, or group. Okay. This categorization is crucial as it determines the data fields available and the specific business process applicable to that BP. And if it is a person, represents a natural person like a customer or employee. It can be organization, represents a legal entity or part of one such a company, department, or association. Group, it can be group also. BP category can be group also. Representation of it represents a collection of individuals like household. When creating business partner in SAP, you must select the appropriate category which influences how the BP is managed and used in various business transactions. Let us go to SAP. Can you see here? Now I am in the transaction code BP, business partner. We have to choose person, organization, or group. Let us choose organization. What we have to choose? Can you see? Choose the role in which you want to create the business partner. While creating business partner, if it is general data, we have to choose business partner role as 00000. If you go to the slide, BP group, BP role. Can you see? BP role defines the specific functions as a business partner can perform within different business processes. It essentially determines the rights and obligations as a BP has in various transactions. Central data like name and address is stored only once, while application specific data is stored based on the assigned roles. Can you see here? We have to choose the 00000 for general data. We are creating first general data, so we will choose BP role as 00000. If we go to BP grouping, determine the number ranges used when creating business partners and they dictate whether the system or the user assigns a business partner ID. There are two types of groupings: internal, where the system automatically generates the ID, and external, where the user manually enters the ID. What is the function of BP grouping? Number range assignment. The core function of BP grouping is to define the number range for business partner IDs. Internal versus external number assignment. BP grouping decides whether it is internal number assignment or external assignment. BP grouping is key. BP grouping leading object in S4 HANA and is assigned to a BP when it is created. It cannot be changed after assignment, unlike the customer vendor account groups. Let us see. Can you see the grouping? I have created two BP groupings. One is domestic, and the second one is foreign. So I'll choose domestic. Okay. Next, we have chosen 00000 as the business partner role. Here we will define name. Okay. Business partner. Partner 1. Press enter. Okay. Now, if you have doubt, you have to use. Can you see this? Check the data. It is error free. Okay. Let us go to search term. We can use search term BP1. Create. So let us give country region. We'll choose here DE, and the region is 11 Berlin. Okay. And if you have another data, you can PO box number 123, postal code 12345 will use, and language we will choose as English. English we'll choose. Okay. Now we'll create identification also. Let us check the data. Data business partner is error free. Okay. Now we'll save the business partner. It is saving. Can you see business partner 110000 is created. Okay. Now just copy this, and we have to go to edit, and which role we have to choose. First we'll create FI vendor data. What role we have to choose? If you go here, what is the role? General data we have created using BP role 00000. Now we'll create vendor data, that is purchasing organization data, using FLVN01 BP role. FLVN01 BP role. FLVN01. Can you see supplier? Vendor or supplier, both are same. Now we'll go here. Now we are in supplier general data. So we maintained all this data. Then we sub purchasing data, general data is maintained here using the, okay, and you can save it. If any error is there, it will show. What it is saying, let us see. See, for country UU, VAT registration number is required. Display this message, business partner again. We'll go here where you can maintain the VAT registration number is. Go to identification. We are in vendor, so that is supplier general data. If it is disabled, in that data level we are. Supplier data, go to identification. Okay. Here it is not there. So we'll choose the role 00000 business partner. Go to identification tab, scroll down, and tax numbers. Here you have to choose DE, and we have to give. It will show a message. Enter the tax number for the tax category. What will do? DE 1 2 3 4 5 6 708. So that is a tax number. Save it. Data is saved. Now we'll go to role. Which role? Supplier data. Okay. Supplier data we will maintain. Purchasing data. So we are in general data. Now check, the data is error free. General data is maintained because VAT number is error maintained. Now we'll maintain purchasing data. A supplier can be maintained at general data level, purchasing level, and company code level. Now for maintaining purchasing organization data, we have to choose the role as FLVN01, that is supplier. Okay, click on purchasing. So you have to enter purchasing organization PUR1, enter, and you have to click on this purchasing organization. Here PUR1, and you have to click on transfer. Order currency. What is order currency? Euros. Okay. Payment terms is not mandatory. So let us check this data. consistency. Okay, can you see? Fill the partner ID for partner role of supply. Ordering address is not there. Let me maintain that. I maintained that partner functions. Okay. PN also I have to maintain. So this I'll maintain here. How to maintain that? Okay. So that is a part of configuration. Let me do that. Basically, here permissible partner roles for account group we have to maintain. That is configuration. I've done it. So let us recheck this. Okay, it came. So can you see now? Okay. Now, so now order currency we have maintained, and partner functions also we got it, and so it is fine. So the moment you save this, it will create the supplier at PR level, purchasing organization level data is maintained. You have to save. Changes have been saved. Now you have to maintain company code specific data. So FLVN00. This is company code level data. Can you see here? General data is, you are in general data screen. Here, company code. So click on company code data. Here, 1212 is the company code. Company codes, here we have to type 121. Next, adapt. Reconciliation account is the mandatory field. Let us see what is the reconciliation accounts we have. Can you see accounts payable domestic? I choose this GL account. Select this. If any data is mandatory, we can check through checking this. If it is error free, we can save it. Can you see data of business partner is error free? Now we'll save it. Now supplier is created at what levels? General client business partner is created, and business supplier data is also maintained using FLVN01. If you see that data is maintained. Purchasing data we have maintained. Company code data also we have maintained. Payment terms it is optional field, so we did not maintain that. So now I'll show you this. Okay, we have created business partner and supplier for the business. See, if you remember, if you look at this, the number is same for all. The business partner is same. Supplier is also a business partner with the same number. Company code and the customer is also a same partner. But I will show you in another video how to create customer. Let me save this. Let me conclude this with this. But I will show you the entries in the tables. Let us go there. Table is SC11. Just now we created business partner and supplier master at purchasing organization level we maintained, and company code level also we maintain. I'll show you this data using tables. Okay, go to SC11. Business partner table is BUT000. Okay, business partner data is stored in table BUT000. BUT000. Okay, click display. Just now created as a business partner, and the number is business partner is 11. Now look at this. Can you see the business partner? What is the BP grouping we have used? Jet DOs 1, Jet domestic 1, and short term is BP1. Okay, now go back. Now we have to see. We have maintained business partner supplier general data. A supplier can be maintained at 3 levels. Client level, supplier or vendor can be maintained at 3 levels. Data can be maintained at 3 levels. One is the supplier can be maintained at 3 levels, right? What are the levels we can say? General data. General data. First level is general data, and second level data, another level data is purchasing organization data. And third data is company code data. I'll show you all this data what we maintained using BP. All three can be maintained. These all general data, purchasing organization data, and company code data we maintain using BP, business partner. Let us go to supplier master. LFA1 is the table for table in which the supplier or vendor data, general data is stored. LFA1, click this table entries, and business partner number is this. Okay, business partner number, supplier number, customer number will be same. That configuration I have done it. I'll upload another video for that. Okay, now see, we are choosing this business partner one, and this is general level data. Okay, then we go to another table, purchasing data, purchasing organization level data. Purchasing organization PUR1 we have chosen, right? That is LFM1. Okay, and LFM1, click the table entries. You have to choose the business partner, execute this. Can you see purchasing one? And what is the currency we maintain? Euros. Okay, this is purchasing organization data. Okay, next, supplier company code level data, LFP1. What we maintain for this business partner? For the Refner, that is business partner, supplier, company code data is 1212, and we maintain reconciliation account is 1,60,000. Okay, so okay,